Hello! Today, we will dive into some of the highlights from the November release of Dial. Let's start with Quick Apps. On the left-hand side, we have our App Editor view, and on the right, we have our chat window to allow app creators to easily preview how end users would interact with it. You can see that we now have a slider to modify the temperature and a toggle to enable the code interpreter, which allows Dial to execute Python code that models or agents generate for them. Here's a simple example of the interpreter executing generated code for a simple mathematical equation. Quick Apps have always allowed the creator to upload documents and use RAG capabilities within the agent's logic. In this release, we have added support for end users to upload attachments within the conversation itself. We'll also use this to showcase our new multimodal capabilities within Dial. In the editor view, I'll specify that this Quick App should support image PNG MIME types, add Sora as a model, and then add some basic instructions for our orchestrator. You can now see that the file upload icon has been added to the chat preview, and now, as an end user, I can select a PNG file to upload. Let's use Sora to create an animated logo from this still image. In addition to video output, Dial now supports text-to-speech and speech-to-text capabilities as well. Let's add OpenAI's text-to-speech model to our Quick App and extend the instructions. We can see that the orchestrator first answers my question and then passes this text to the TTS model, and as a result, we get an audio file that we can play directly in the Dial chat UI.
I'm able to answer questions, provide information, and assist with a variety of tasks, including generating text, transforming data, and even creating multimedia content using tools I had access to, like generating videos and speech from text.
For compliance purposes, we've also added optional support for end users to provide text feedback with all negatively rated responses. This concludes our brief showcase of front-end updates from this release of Dial. Please check out the written release notes and documentation for more details and additional changes, particularly those made to Dial's back-end components. Thank you.